I'm making this video as I'm typing out the example problem for you to see how your skills forum should be done. I'm going to go to Insert, and where it says Table, I'm going to hit on Table. There are various ways that you can do this. I need 2 columns. I'm not as much worried about the rows because I can add those easily. Right here is where I'm going to actually type the problem. The top left-hand corner. I'm going to go back to Insert. I'm going to go to where it says Equation. And it's various places that on different machines, but it's Insert and Equation. All right, now I've got the templates for the various math up here. You kind of have to lay it out first. I need a fraction. I want a square root on top, so I go to Radical, and I hit that. Now I'm ready to type in the x plus 1. Go below, and I'll have a 2, and that is equal to 3. And over here, I would just type in example problem. Now, you might type in week 1, number 2, if that's what you were assigned for week 1. Okay, now I'm going to start solving it. The first thing I would do would be cross multiply. So I'm going to insert equation again. I want the radical, and I would have x plus 1. And if I cross multiplied, it would be equal to 6. And I'd come over here and I'd say cross multiplied to eliminate denominator. Okay, now I'm going to square both sides. Insert equation. I'll go here and pick up the square. And I want to actually type in what I have there squared. I'm going to put a parenthesis, and inside of here I will put the radical x plus 1. I'm going to square it, and it's going to equal, I need another exponent to show the details here. You may not, I want that out there. I want it right here. And I'm going to type the 6, and I'm going to square it. So I'll come over here and say square both sides to eliminate radical. Okay, I need another row. I click right out here, and return. I have another row. Okay, next step. The radical is removed, and I have x plus 1 is equal to 36. So, all right, and what I would say is I performed the squaring of both sides. Okay. I don't want that. All right, now I would go back and I would insert an equation, and I would have x equals 36 minus 1. Would say move the 1 by changing the sign. Insert equation, and I could say x is equal to 35, and I could say the answer. You might go back and test it to verify that kind of thing, but I didn't want this video to be terribly long.